top 5 reasons to always invest in the stock market. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about my top 5 reasons to always invest in the stock market. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, all right? For more videos on making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business, okay? That's just what the wealth builders do, nah, man. All right, so without further ado, my top 5 reasons to always invest in the stock market. All right, let's start off with number 1. Number 1 is kind of obvious to me, but a lot of people don't remember this part about the stock market, that it's true passive income, okay? The stock market can provide you with realistic passive income. You find stocks with good track records of paying dividends for holding stocks. If you don't know what dividends is, it's a percentage of income that the company pays their stockholders quarterly, or sometimes even monthly, or every 2 quarters of the year, of the stock that they hold. So say if you hold $50 worth of stock and you get paid 5% on that $50 of stock that you hold every quarter or monthly. And what you can do is you can, cash out, or you can hold and reinvest, okay, into the stock and grow it and grow it and grow it, okay? So that leads me to number 2. Your income will grow faster, okay? If you just put your money in the bank savings, it will only grow at the rate of the savings account. There will never be any compound interest, okay? On the other hand, when you invest in stock market, you will be able to grow your investments through compound interest of the dividends you reinvest, okay? AKA grow your money faster, okay? Yes, you might lose a little bit depending on the stock, depending on the up and down, the volatility of the stock, but the whole point is to invest in stocks that pay dividends to reinvest, keep running your money in there, because it leads you to number 3, which is financial security. Okay, when you invest in the stock market and you invest enough, you will have financial security through the dividends that they pay on a regular basis, and the fact that you have more of an opportunity to grow your money, as I stated in number 2, okay? Because if you just put your money in a savings account, you don't have any opportunity to grow your money. You don't have any opportunity to say, hey, this stock is not doing what it needs to do. Let me sell it and buy this other stock that's so I can grow this money. No, if you have your money in a savings account, you have all your money in a savings account, that's exactly what it's going to do. It's going to sit right there, okay? Number 4, the early bird gets the more cash, okay? Gets the worm and cash, all right? If you're young and investing in the stock market, this should be your number 1 goal, okay? Get in early, okay? Because when it comes to getting into stocks, the earlier you are, the more financially secure your future will be, okay? So if I started investing when I was like 18, 19, by now I'll probably be wealthy, like real sit back and not worry about a thing wealthy, okay? That was my mistake. And anybody that's 18 to 25 watching this, or even younger, I don't care what your age is, really, you need to start if you haven't started already. But if you're young, you need to get down now, okay? Because it's time, all right? Because number 5, it's super easy. It's actually easier to buy stocks or bonds than invest in anything nowadays, okay? Before, there used to be a time where buying stocks and bonds was only reserved for the rich, right? Nowadays, anyone from any walk of life can invest in stocks. The more people that invest in stocks, the bigger it can grow, okay? And the bigger it grows, the bigger your cash will. It's that simple, okay? So if people start really investing in stocks and it grows and grows and grows, and the amount of people buying stocks grows and you're already invested, your stock will grow and you will make more money, okay? Simple, right? So if you want to learn what I swear by and use to invest in my stocks religiously, click the link below and you will get $5 to get started buying stock, okay? So there you have it, my top 5 reasons to always invest in the stock market. Make sure you click the like button and check the link below to get started investing for free. Until next time, it's your boy DeVaughn signing off on my top 5 reasons to always invest in the stock market. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.